Good morning, traders. Welcome back to the channel. This is Curious Combo once more on DAX. We're day trading DAX, and this is my market analysis. It's Thursday, March 6th, and this is what the markets are looking on the 1 hour chart. The oscillators are grouped to the upside, and as some of you watched my video yesterday, this is where the market was hovering in the mid-range. We saw some separation on the 1 hour chart, but sure enough, they opened up and rallied all the way to give us the top of the range in the very early European session was 23,178. For us, this was very cautious move. We were looking carefully if there would have been any quick dips. We use 1 hour, and on the intraday time frames we have 15 minutes and all the way to 5 minutes with our double stochastic strategy, which we use values for the slow one 66, 5 and 5, and for the fast one we use the value of 25.5. And this is what it looked on 15 minutes. You were able to, after the confusion in the pre-market, they snapped up here right after the pre-market open 9:15 and went up for the first few hours. This is where you gotta be really careful and either sit on your hands or look closer what's going on. There was separation, confusion, big up in the start, down, up, and all the way to the US volatile open at about 3-4 p.m. European afternoon time. Today, Thursday, March 6th, it's going to be a big one still, like mentioned yesterday. Initial job claims, 8:30 a.m. New York. That's my 3:30 in the afternoon. US productivity finals and US trade deficit will be also before wholesale inventories comes out at New York 10 a.m. So know your levels, know your market, be patient. Patient is a position too. Now in the start of the morning we are again grouped to the upside. If you look what happened Monday, March 3rd, this was in the, well, pretty much all day, but we came up for 5 o'clock. So you're looking similar action where we are now. So there might be some corrections on the hour to 30-minute levels even. So on Monday, what happened after 5 o'clock when the US session got going, this is obviously due to the tariffs, then very rough dip after US open all the way to the aftermarket hours. So price goes up, price goes down, price goes up. This is even 1 hour. So yes, you're able to, if you stand these kind of swings, you are able to make some decent profits, but looking at the shorter time frame gives you a clearer picture when to exit and enter the trade. On the macroeconomic level, President Xi says that a tariff war or a trade war is like any other type of war. China says that it's ready to fight US until the end. US President Donald Trump, on the other hand, at the same time has given some relief for the automakers. DAX is big on autos also, so Volkswagen, Audi, and likes. So we might be seeing some upside due to that for DAX, but gotta be careful. There are opponents pretty much all of the world for these tariffs. Seems that Trump is giving some relief for the tariffs and allowed a 1-month pause on tariffs for automakers that comply with trilateral trade deal between the US and Canada and Mexico. That's the big boys over there. Whatever is happening, we trade using the overlaid stochastics with our values. Intraday, we don't hold overnight positions at all. And on whatever is happening, we can be cautious. we can be alerted. That's definitely what we're doing on daily and hourly basis. I wouldn't be jumping into this morning before I see some clear grouping together or continuation on the 15-minute or 5-minute level. Be aware that the price is on the top of the range on the stochastics, and the all-time high is at 23,304. Let's go even on the 4-hour daily is massive, but 4-hour, this is the overall bull run that we've had for a month now. There was a double top form, and that has been continuing now. Buyers have been dominating the market. The range is clearer if we take these ones away, so we'll see the big range of things, what's going on. So that's your range right there, and you are on top of it. Even on the 4 hours, the stochastics are on the upside-ish. If we look at for 2 hours, definitely, and on the 1 hour, we just had a look, they're already seeming to be a bit exhausted. The stochastics can't stay overbought level for considerable long times like you've seen here, but then the macroeconomics play a different role today than they did a week or 2 weeks ago. So that's it for today. I think I'm gonna sideline this one unless there's any sudden moves or news releases that requires my attention, but otherwise the European Open doesn't hold anything for me. I will be looking for the afternoon and my 3:30 afternoon initial job claims from US and productivity and US trade deficit, which is obviously notable. 8:30 and 10 o'clock wholesale inventories. Okay, you guys stay alerted, stay safe, trade smart, and I'll see you tomorrow on Friday for Friday, March 7th, when there's a big US jobs reports, US unemployment and hourly wages release.